So what's up guys, welcome to the next tutorial about the ManyChat, and now let me show you how to automate your flow or automate your chatbot. Okay, so just directly click on this, which is the main menu, and it will be taking you to this page where it will be showing you guys information about your chatbot and all. Okay, so now let me show you how to set a default reply. Okay, now if the person is like not clicking on those buttons, and if the person is like typing out some message, and if the bot is not having the reply to that particular message that is typed by the user, then you could set the default reply which could be sent. Okay, so this is the default which is available over here, which is this one. So what default message that you could set is, let me just click on this. I will be okay. Now let me just go back, and I'll be deleting all these things. So if I'm just clicking on this, sorry, I don't have any answer to your question or query. Okay, and then again you'll be asking another question like would you like to talk to human? Then when it comes to this talk to human button, what you could do is you could integrate this with the contact number, so that whenever any person is having any difficulty, that person could directly talk to the real person. So basically mark the conversation as open. This is the action which is attached over here, and this is like the okay, just type your message and we will get back to you. So basically over here what they have done is they have integrated this thing with the messenger. Okay, so if you want to like integrate with the messenger and all, then click on this thing, and click on send SMS. Okay, so I'll be deleting this. I'll be deleting this as well. Okay, so after that I'll be directly creating the flow to this send SMS, and through this one SMS will be sent to the number which is integrated. So uh, over here you what you could type is person with some query. Okay, this is the message that will be dropped to you, and this is all about the integration. With the help of this you could integrate your mobile number over here. Okay, so this is how the condition goes on, and all this like sending the SMS and all these options are available to the pro version, so currently I cannot make use of it. So this is how you could integrate this thing, and now if I'm just selecting on this, and now if suppose I want to directly give a call to some person, then I'll be clicking on this another option which is a call number, and this option has been integrated. So what I'll do is I'll click on this, and I could now I could specify the type of the number, which is a custom field number or the specific number. Then you could give your phone number over here. Okay, so I'll be making use of +91. Then you could type out any number over here and click on done. Okay, so if that customer is having any query, then that person could directly click on this button and call the owner of the shop and all. If you are creating the chatbot for some restaurant and all, and if the person is having any doubt or need some clarification, then you could that person could directly interact with the owner, or any person who could entertain them. Okay, so basically this is how you could set default one, or you could directly send SMS, or you could directly make a call. Okay, so this was all about the default one, and next is a welcome message. So when it comes to the welcome message, so basically before your chatbot start interacting with your with the person who is interacting with your chatbot, you could send a welcome message like welcome to restaurant, or you could from my point of view I would be saying welcome to divergent learners. And if I want, I could even add an image over here. I'll be clicking this one. Okay, so this is how the welcome message will be looking like. So now there is one more feature which I will to show you all guys. This is the list feature, in which what you could do is you could enter name, again you could enter the subtitle, you could add the button, and you could even upload the image. Okay, so let me show you one example like the HTML. This is web language. Then I'll be clicking on this, and I'll be uploading one HTML image over here, and I'll be adding the button which is the link, and I'll be linking my HTML codes to this. Let me just show you one example. Okay, so if I'm just going and pasting it over here and clicking on done, then basically this is how the things will be looking on my chatbot. So just make sure that you are adding text and all everything very properly. Okay, so yeah, this is how things are done. And if I'm just going with the second option, I could do the very same thing, but currently let me just remove all these things, because I don't want these things to appear on my welcome message. So basically this is how you should be setting your welcome message. Next is keywords. Okay, so when I'm talking about the keywords, this is a place from where you could activate or deactivate your chatbot. Okay, currently this is the only active chatbot, and if you want to like deactivate it, click slide this back and it will be like deactivated. Okay, so okay guys, this is all about the creating the keywords, and this is also not about the enabling or disabling your chatbot. So when it comes to the like keyword, when a customer will be coming to your restaurant and all, and if that customer types out like the Wi-Fi internet access or the Wi-Fi password, if that person want to access the internet of your restaurant and all, then what you could do is I'll be like enabling this keyword right now. You could integrate that keyword with the messenger or SMS, and then some action could be taken like sending the Wi-Fi password to that particular user. So now let me create one keyword, new keyword. I'll be saying like what is Wi-Fi password, and I'll be selecting the channel. Then this message will be sent on the messenger, or you could send this message on the SMS. I'll be selecting the messenger, then I'll be creating the keyword. So this is the keyword what is encountered, and now I'm creating the reply. Hello, thanks for asking. Then what I'll do is I will be sending another text which is you can get Wi-Fi password from any of our employee. Okay, so this is the message which will be appearing to the particular user, and that person could ask anyone who is working in that restaurant for the password. Okay, so if now I want to create any more keyword like how, like now suppose if I'm getting the or encountering the keyword like how are you, or I could even say tell me about you. Okay, so these are like some keywords which I'm selecting. Then I'll be selecting the channel as a messenger, then I'll be creating the flow for the keyword which is hello, I am fine, how are you. Okay, so basically this is how you could create the keywords. So whenever a chatbot will be encountering this keyword like the Wi-Fi internet or Wi-Fi password, and this is the message which will be sent to the person. When the chatbot will be encountering message like the stop or unsubscribe, then the bot will be helping the person to unsubscribe from this channel. Okay, so this is how you could create the keywords. So that's all, guys. This was all about the creating the keywords. In the next class we'll be looking at the sequences. Thanks for watching.